can't let them pass like this.
It's kind of scary. Huh? Bungo, what are you doing here? Bungo, are you okay? Why are you trembling like that?
I hear a strange sound coming from up ahead.
Sounds like there might be a monster. I'm really scared too. Can't we go together? What is this place? It looks so eerie. Do we have to go through here? Ah! You're out! What just happened?
Ah! Something just rushed past us. It looks like we have to dodge Big Mouth.